Welcome to the hidden world of the beehive. Inside this buzzing metropolis, every individual has a vital role to play. At the heart of it all is the queen. She is the mother of the entire colony, the only fertile female. Her sole mission? To lay up to 2,000 eggs a day, ensuring the hive's future. She also produces pheromones, the chemical glue that keeps the colony unified. Then there are the workers, the engine of the hive. These sterile females are the busiest of all. In their short lives, they transition through many roles, from nursing the young and cleaning the cells to building the intricate wax comb and guarding the entrance. When they are older, the workers fly out to forage, returning with life-sustaining nectar and pollen. They are the ones who produce the honey we love. Finally, we meet the drones. These are the only males in the hive. Larger than workers, they do not forage or clean. Their only purpose is to mate with a new queen from another colony. It is a singular, high-stakes mission that ensures genetic diversity. Together, these three castes work in perfect harmony, a superorganism where the whole is far greater than